A wolf? The heck you say? Him? A wolf? There ain't no way.
Oh, wolf, 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 yeah.
You ain't no wolf. No, you're not. You ain't got nothing that a wolf has got.
Wolf, wolf, wolf,
You ain't no wolf for just one thing. If you wanna be a wolf, you gotta have fangs.
fangs, 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 fangs,
What's that?
fangs, fangs, fangs.
Okay, so what? You got big teeth. You can't pull me 'cause underneath you ain't no wolf. You ain't because if you wanna be a wolf, you gotta have claws.
Claws, claws, claws,
Yeah, but you can't be a wolf 'cause if you were, you'd be head to toe in.
You mean like this? I see what you mean. It's more than a hunch.
You like pork?
I could eat every day for lunch.
And after dark you feel the need to growl.
Like sometimes I have to.
Well, what do you know? You may be right. We just might have a new recruit tonight.
Welcome, kid, we got your back. You might even say that we're your pack. Woof, 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 woof.
The word, the claws.